A common question that global physiotherapists often ask about settling in Australia is what are the PR pathways and PR processes for them in Australia. If you too have similar doubts in your mind, you're in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome to MedCare by Academically. In this video, we'll break down the entire PR process for physiotherapists from assessment to registration and eventually getting your Australian permanent residency. To work as a physiotherapist in Australia and eventually becoming a permanent resident, you must go through a structured process. This includes assessment by the Australian Physiotherapy Council, APC, and registration with the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, AHPRA, applying for skilled migration pathways for PR. Let's begin with the APC assessment. There are two main pathways under the Australian Physiotherapy Council. Number one, the standard assessment pathway. This is the pathway designed for physiotherapists from non-competent countries. Steps involved in this process are eligibility check, APC written assessment, MCQ, APC clinical assessment, certificate of substantial equivalence. Once this certificate is received, you can apply for registration with AHPRA. Number two is competent authority pathway. This is a fast-track option for physiotherapists from certain countries like UK, USA, Canada, Ireland, and New Zealand. If you qualify for this pathway, you do not need to sit for clinical exams. You can apply for registration directly after credential verification and then move straight to PR applications. This pathway significantly shortens your route to PR. And once you successfully complete the APC assessments, either standard or the competent pathway, you are eligible to register with AHPRA, the regulatory body for physiotherapists in Australia. The requirements for AHPRA registration include English language proficiency, IELTS or OET, proofs of APC assessment completion, criminal history check, identity verification. Once you are registered, you are officially allowed to work as a physiotherapist in Australia. Now, coming to the most important part, how to apply for a PR as a physiotherapist. After registering and gaining some local experience, physiotherapists can apply for PR through Australia's General Skilled Migration Program. Popular visa options include Subclass 189, Skilled Independent Visa, no sponsor needed. Subclass 190, Skilled Nominated Visa, requires state nomination. Subclass 491, Skilled Work Regional Visa for regional areas. As physiotherapy is listed on Australia's medium and long-term strategic skills list, MLTSSL, you are a high-demand professional, my dear, for migration with great chances of a PR visa. Most physiotherapists with 2 to 3 years of experience, good English scores, and enough points under the points-based system become eligible for PR. Also, there are a few bonus tips for you to speed up your journey to PR. Consider studying a master's in physiotherapy in Australia if you're not eligible for the competent authority pathway. Gain regional work experience, boost your PR points, get help from migration agents or experts if needed. The process is detailed but totally worth it. Stay updated with latest policies from APC, AHPRA, and Home Affairs. No matter which stage of the assessment process you are at, having adequate knowledge about visa and PR pathways is extremely important. If you're still preparing for the APC exam or haven't even started your preparation yet, get in touch with us. We are Academically and we will guide you about the step-by-step process to achieve PR pathway in Australia. Contact us via the information given in the description and we'll be more than happy to help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert guidance on Australian healthcare pathways. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below and we are here to help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.